Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the Home Zone Living metal-bodied solar light. These are a wall-mounted light with a simple switch on the back on-off that actuates the sensor. So when it gets dark, these automatically turn on for you. I'll put my hand over the sensor and you can see it turn on like that. The installation is really simple. It's just 2 screws on the back. So I'm going to show you what it looks like during the day and then at night. You let the sun do the work for these. The solar outdoor wall and fence post lights from Home Zone Living function as a security light and features 4 ultra bright LEDs that are rechargeable by these advanced crystalline solar panels. They are built to last. They're high quality stainless steel construction for durability and provide a sleek and modern look for your decks and steps and walls or wherever you choose to put these. You can mount them anywhere. It's a kind of a quick and painless installation with no wiring. You just simply switch the light on as you mount it, and they even give you the screws included in the pack. That auto on sensor works dusk to dawn to keep the light off during the daytime while charging, and automatically triggers at night for hours of illumination. You can certainly buy with confidence on these because they are tested and approved for outdoor weather resistance and backed by a 1-year no-hassle product warranty. So a little extra security on that. Here's what the packet of screws looks like. It's got the anchors as well as the screws there, so you don't really need to buy anything separate for installation unless you want to do an adhesive installation, but that's a preference thing. These are set up for a screw installation. When I do these, I like to do them with a level and a tape measure, so I make sure that they're all even across the wall. All right, now here I've got all the gear, and I have this pillar, and we have these around the property on the walls. And so I'm going to use these lights to illuminate the pillars without having to do any wiring. But we need to mark and make sure that they're level. And when we install them, we want to make sure that we're doing them at the same height around the property. So I'm going to get this marked up, and then we'll get this installed. All right, and now that we've got our 2 screws up on the wall, all we have to do is turn it from off to auto and slide it over those 2 screws. This will allow this to be removed if needed, but it should be pretty nice and sturdy on there, which is what we're looking for. All right, so first installation is done. Let's take a closer look at how this appears on the wall. Now you can see it nice and up close. That looks great. I just love the metal finish. It looks fantastic. I'm so excited to see how it looks tonight with that LED on, but you can see already just with my hand on the motion sensor or on the darkness sensor, look how nice that looks. So I'm going to come back and record this again after nightfall. And there you have it. I really enjoy what Home Zone Living is doing with their products. And hopefully this video helps you make a good decision about what type of outdoor solar lighting is right for you. As always, I appreciate you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks. Bye.